Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Samsung Galaxy M13 using household items, using household remedies, home remedies. So, cool. Remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your charging mechanism. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert one part of the brush into the port and try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye. See you.